Hello, welcome to Plant Applications Know-How video. In this video, we will learn about the new document management system with Plant Application 2025, which is designed to streamline the storage, control, and retrieval of documents across your organization. To access the document management system, log in to the Configuration Hub, navigate to the Plant Applications Administration plugin, select your site, and then click on Document Management. Document Classifications. Before uploading a document, you need to create a document classification. This helps you organize documents, define allowed file extensions, and link them to relevant Plant Applications entities. To create a classification, click the plus icon. Enter a classification name, for example, Equipment Manuals. Provide a description, optional but recommended. You can also set a prefix for the file name and select the allowed file extensions for this classification. If you want to link documents to specific Plant Applications entities, such as routes, equipment, or materials, select the appropriate option. The classification is saved automatically. You can also assign custom properties to a classification. To do this, select the classification, click Edit, then go to Custom Properties. Click Add Properties and choose the ones you'd like to include. You can update the property values as needed. Changes are saved automatically. Document Types. Document Types allows you to organize documents. Using the document types, you can assign the workflows required to approve the documents. To create a document type, click plus. Enter the document type name and description. If you want to assign the workflow, you can choose from the existing workflow. You need to use Approval Cockpit to create the new workflows. Click Save. The new document type is created. This concludes the overview of document classification and types.